birds. This pelican has a big, long beak. There is a deep sac of skin under its beak. The sac holds a fish that the pelican scoops up from the water. This bird is a road runner. It lives in the desert and spends most of its time on the ground. It eats fast lizards, snakes, and bugs. The road runner runs very fast to get its food. The toucan lives in the rainforest. It has a big hollow beak. It uses its beak to pick fruit from trees. This big bird is an emu. It cannot fly because it has wings for such small wings for such big, large body, but it has very long, strong legs. It can run very fast to get away from danger. This puffin is small fish. It is short and fat and has a colorful beak. Puffins look funny on land, but they spend most of their time in the sea. They can swim under the water with their wings. Most owls come out at night. They can have big eyes too, help them see in the dark. Their feathers are very soft. Many can fly without making a sound. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds. They are bright and colorful. They can stay in one place when they fly. They can use long beaks and tongues to get food from flowers. Eagles fly high above the ground. They can spot snakes, mice, and fish from high over land and water. Eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp beaks. They use their feet and beaks to catch food and rip it apart. Cockroaches have thick, sharp beaks that can crack open hard nuts. Cockroaches live in large groups. They can be very loud. Vultures eat dead animals. Many have no feathers on their heads. Many have no feathers on their heads. Many have big holes in their beaks. The holes help them smell food from far away.